Hello, did you know that you now have the ability to control and configure which health checks run on various servers running JD Edwards Enterprise One? You have the flexibility to dynamically override default values that may be taking longer than desired to execute due to a high volume of business data in your environment, thus improving the startup performance as well as on-demand health checks. For HTML and AIS servers, an administrator can dynamically specify the interactive application to run as part of executing the health checks through Server Manager and Server Manager APIs. Likewise, an administrator can dynamically specify the UBE and version on an HTML web server and AIS server as well as an enterprise server to run as part of executing the health check through Server Manager and Server Manager APIs. Let's see an example using the Server Manager console. Select an HTML or AI server that you want to configure and navigate to health check configuration. You can enter any valid value for the UBE name and UBE version. Likewise, you can enter any valid value for the interaction application form and version of that form. Note that for the enterprise servers, you can only specify UBE information. With this capability, you are able to perform a health check that confirms system availability without potentially unnecessary processing, and also a health check that confirms the availability of an important application for your business. Now, each time the instance is started, the specified UBE is run and the interactive application is tested with applicable database operations. If you want to run a health check on demand, return to the home screen of Server Manager, select the instance that you configured for health checks, and click the Run Health Checks button. For more information, visit us at learnjde.com. Thanks for watching.